Sometimes you ask your agent to do something big. Research 3 different CRMs, for example, and give me a comparison. Instead of plotting through one at a time, OpenClaw can spin up a small copy of itself for each piece of the task. They all run in parallel, and the main agent stitches the answers back together at the end. That's a sub-agent. Same quality of output, a fraction of the wall clock time. In Telegram or OpenClaw, you can say something like, research 3 scheduling tools, Calendly, SavvyCal, and Cal.com. For each, pull pricing, key features, and 1 weakness. Give me a comparison table. Use subagents. OpenClaw will spawn several subagents working in parallel. You can see here it's spawning new sessions. 3 subagents are researching this in parallel. And if you click here in the top left, you can see all the 3 subagents that have gotten spun up. Each subagent gets its own session. Look how quick that was. Because each subagent handled researching 1 tool, they were able to work in parallel, and then it came back with this summary super quick. You can also use subagents when a task needs to have several big items handled sequentially. You can have your main session be an orchestrator that runs subagents to complete smaller parts of the project.